Good morning, second grade. This week we are in Module 2, Week 3. So this is the last week of this module. This week's high frequency words are all hidden in this word cloud. There are 10 high frequency words, just like every week. Go ahead and take a look at this word cloud. See if you can find all 10. Teachers, go ahead and pause the video. Give your students a chance to find the words and then let them share out some of the words that they have found. Did you find all 10 words in the word cloud? This week's high frequency words are baby, bird, blue, fly, little, bring, place, she, her, and this. These are the words that we are going to be focusing on this week and making sure by the end of the week we know these words. We can recognize these words and read these words just like that when we see them in our stories and in our books. Your spelling words this week are from Word List 6, and they all have something in common. They all contain a blend. What does that mean, Ms. Garcia? Well, I'll tell you. A blend is when two consonants, so we're not talking about the vowels, we're talking about the consonants. When they come together in a word, they stand side by side and blend their sounds. Each of the consonants is going to keep its own sound, but they're going to stay super close to the other consonant in the blend, and then they're going to say their sounds closely together. Okay, so the words in your spelling word list this week, they all contain blends that are going to have an L, an R, or an S. And some examples of these blends, the two consonants together in the blend, some of the words are going to have an S and a P standing close to one another. Some of them have a G and an L standing close to one another, creating a blend. Others have GR, SW, PL, ST, SK, DR, CL, and BR. Let's take a look at our words. If you notice in each of your spelling words this week, the blends are in different places for some of the words. I want you to pay close attention as we say them and as we're listening for and looking for the blends, because I think you're going to find some of them are at the beginning, and for some of your words, you're going to find the blend at the end. Okay, let's say them together one at a time. Space, globe, grade, swim, place, last. So there's one where the blend is at the end of the word. The S and the T are standing really close together, saying their sounds closely together. Test, skin, drag, glide, just, stove, slid, close, grape, plate, climb, and bruise. We're going to practice those a lot this week, kiddos, and I want you to practice them at home as well. Say those words out loud. Teach one of your grown-ups or your sibling or your auntie, your grandma or grandpa, anybody that you can read these words to and see if they can find the blends in the words just by you saying them. So your assignment today for your spelling words, it is going to be a word sort. If you're in my class, in Miss Garcia's class, you're going to complete this assignment as a digital assignment, and that's posted in Schoology. If you're in one of the other second grade classes, you are going to complete this assignment in your red reading notebook. You're going to take a photo of your completed assignment and submit it in Schoology to your teacher. So we will sort the words by their blend. You are going to create 3 columns in your notebook, and you should be really good at columns after working so hard with arrays last week in math. And then you will write the words that belong in each column. And there is a word bank on the worksheet that's provided. So the worksheet is called Blends with LRS. And this will be provided to you by your teacher in Schoology as a PDF copy. This is what it will look like. So you will make a column blends with L, blends with R, and blends with S. And then you will look at your spelling words in the word bank. You will figure out which blend each of those words contains, and then you will write it in the appropriate column. And like I said again, Ms. Garcia's kiddos, you will be completing this assignment digitally in Schoology and typing the words in the correct column. Hey guys, you are going to do great today. Can't wait to see you in our next Zoom. Have a great rest of your morning.